Hey, young rich nigga in the club throwing up the set. Lost family and friends on the road to success. Need a rich bitch, wear some hoes with a check, looking like a
It's
leprechaun.
your boy Raasquiat again, and today I'm back to talk to y'all about why you should. I'm sorry, I'm saying should, but why you should consider making remixes with your beats. And you don't have to necessarily put these out if you don't want to. I personally enjoy putting these out because a lot of my influences from making beats came from people that I thought were just DJs until I found out that a lot of them was making the beats. Uh, So first and foremost, I want to give a big shout out to Knowledge. And yeah, like he really inspired me when I was in college. Um, I used to hear his stuff on SoundCloud, man. I had a homie that used to just like spaz out for like sending me Knowledge links. And then he dropped the leak tapes. And I was in awe. I went down the rabbit hole of SoundCloud producers after that. I mean, no diss by using SoundCloud producers. But that's why I would just find people. So like him, J Rob, Esther, a lot of these people that make really cool things, really cool mashups and remixes, and really cool beats. And so yeah, I think that everybody, all producers at least, should make remixes. Um, because it helps you understand like song structure better, kind of like what I was just talking about in the last video about simple beats. With simple beats, you get to see how the artist flows interact with your beats a lot better. When you make these remixes, it gives you that if you're not getting the reps in of like always getting placements. And let's be real, man, you're not gonna get a placement like every day. You can make a remix literally every day. So if you got a beat that you think is hard, fire, whatever, you can test out your theory by putting it on one of your favorite artists. Put one of their acapellas over your beat, and it'll tell you if the beat is hard or not. Because if the artist that you have in mind flows over the beat, then that means that somebody else will be able to flow over that beat too. You know what I'm saying? And it's like a manifestation tool. Like you're really working with this artist. I have a joke between me and one of my homies. We got a song with Pierre, and bro don't even know, but that's the homie's favorite producer, and we sample Pierre, and so we just say like we got a song with Pierre. Maybe one day I'll really get a song with Pierre, but for now I got a super hard beat that I made by sampling the Pierre song, and so I just use that as like manifestation of like what I want or what I see for myself in the future. So enough yapping. I'm gonna show y'all this beat first, and we're gonna get into it. So this beat right here again, just like the last time, I use Triton for everything, and this is not like my normal like hip hop, but it's a very jazzy beat. I grew up, jazz was one of my favorite genres, so I really love like smooth jazz. So I'm gonna break this all down for y'all right quick, as simple as fast as possible. Um, like I said last time, uh, Triton, chord, Triton, whatever. A lot of these VSTs do come with their own drums. So like, yeah, you can go out and get drums, but for this, I just used the drums that was already in here and it made it real simple. So I'm gonna just play this for you right here. And it sounds like this. So yeah, all of them sounds come out of this Triton brush kit. I think it's called Jazz Brush Kit. Yeah. And you know what I'm saying? It sounds good. Like With smooth jazz, you don't need nothing too crazy. Yeah, just very simple. Make sure that it's not going too crazy because with jazz, like the drums are really just to keep the tempo and to add a little bounce. So then I don't even know what this sound is right here, but we've got another sound coming. Okay, this is also like the kick, and this I think this is just the snares. I double or put the snares in something else, and I think I added uh like a reverb to the snare. Yeah, just to add like that 80s gated sound. So y'all will hear what it sounds like. Yeah. Just added a reverb so it sounds a lot bigger, like more authentic. When we come down here, these are some more perks. And on that, I just added a crazy reverb. Uh, I told y'all last time about Free Delay Bank, and if I didn't, I meant to, but it's goaded and then about so that's it for the drums. Now I think we're coming down here into the melody parts. This is the bass. No, stay the same. Uh, these are the chords. So A minor 9 into D minor 9. And that's really it, bro. I think I just went up 5 semitones. So it sounds like this. And it just repeats, man. Again, like the simplicity of the beats is very important. And I think you see what reset this is for y'all. Wavetable EP. Oh, this is I used another EP to layer on top, and I think I just went up like played the perfect fifth for like a harmony. So I'll play that for y'all so you can hear like this together. Yeah, it's super simple, man. Super simple. And there ain't something else, man. I think I got something else that I've had on here. Oh yeah. Okay. So I think right here the saxophone. Yeah, just something real easy, simple, like, and that is, I think it's called tenor sax, soft tenor sax. Yeah. And right here we just got strings. Yeah, so if you notice now, they don't, the attack is not like immediate, so that's why they're overlapping like that. Slow strings, and then I think I added some bells. Bells are okay. I lied to y'all. I actually use JV 1080. I love this preset also. Very good for this type of stuff as well. Rolling and chord, amazing, amazing, amazing sounds. Okay, so back to bells. They sound like this. yeah, and I think that's it, man. I don't think it's nothing else. I don't think it's nothing else in this. Yeah, so um, that's it, man. That's it. I think that everybody should, especially producers, man, should make remixes. I know that's, excuse me, not super popular in hip hop, but I think it should be. Um, and yeah, this is wild. Like you get to experiment with different sounds. Like this is a jazz beat, but it's a Peasy acapella, so it's like the best of both worlds. You know what I'm saying? Uh, I personally like stuff like that. I don't know if everybody does, but it's super smooth sounding, and then you got him just, it's just bars. Like it's just bars from 2 minutes. Um, but yeah, it's something I've seen, and I was inspired by it growing up. So it's something I do. It's something I enjoy doing, and it's something that I think all producers should do more because it's cool, and you get to really experiment with sounds and see how people sound doing it. And maybe this will even persuade people to like do some of your ideas, like show off your producing, you know what I'm saying, your producing prowess. Uh, that whole producer beat maker thing, forget that, bro. Like you want to produce something, grab an acapella. It's super simple now. You know what I'm saying? You got Serato sample, you got AI, you got all these different tools to just grab an acapella that you like, figure it out, put it in your mix, and then there's so many other things that come with it. Like I said, you get to see if your beat works for an artist. And on top of that, bro, you're learning how to mix. You're just learning everything by doing this. It's a really good skill to have. And then you can drop these on SoundCloud. And somebody like me will listen. Um, and that's it, man. That's it. Again, I think we should be doing this more. I'm pretty sure that this is very much a thing in like other producing spaces. Like I got a homie that produces EDM. I'm pretty sure he does a lot more remixes. And that's like that's I think that's how they get on. Like I'm not really sure, but I know they do a lot more DJing and stuff. And it would be cool if a lot more of us like hip hop and R&B producers were also DJing. Um, so yeah, try this out, man. It's a cool method, and I might show y'all another one another day. But for now, we're gonna ride out to this Peasy. Peace.
Hey. Young rich nigga in the club throwing up the set. Lost family and friends on the road to success. Need a rich bitch, wear some hoes with a check. Looking like a leprechaun, all this gold on my neck. I'm a dog, you a snake. I'm a boss, you a disgrace. Stay the fuck up out my way, cause we ain't in the same race. Bad bitch with some taste. Can't get her out my face, she wanna fuck me every day. She know I'm dealing with some pay. 10 on me now while I'm working on this case. I'm working with some dealers, you be working with the state. See you mad at the world, all the fuck you do is hate. Broke niggas telling jokes, all the fuck you do is play. Fall off in the club with some lions and some apes. Pockets filled up with dubs, all day been making plays. They say all the nigga rap about is money and drugs. Fucking hoes buying cars, throwing money in clubs. Niggas scared to get a bag, you a run from the plug. Sipping out a double cup, bitch I came out the mud. Clothes smell like crack, hoes say I'm a thug. Real good and shit for real, wouldn't change if I could. When it comes to that bag, I do backflips. You ain't really who you say you is, you a catfish. I can make a bird disappear, that's a hat trick. I done fell off 100 times and got back rich. I stack chips, I can punch you in the